Guys, and it's me, Maddie, Sunny's sister, and today we are back with another video, but it's like sort of a vlog sort of thing, because we're like vlogging around this like house. It's not a house, it's like abandoned like caravans and cars, and we're going to check if they're all open. We're around this one now, this blue one, and then we're just like checking all around those and those caravans.
Guys, leave a like and subscribe, please. And if you do, if the car doors open, yeah, leave a like and subscribe. So I'm gonna sit in there and the boat.
Yeah, right. Okay,
Guys,
then.
we're gonna find out.
If every one of these three cars open, we are gonna sit in all of them, and you have to subscribe. Spider! Look how big that spider is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you just see that? Oh, we're petrified. Right, anyway. Right, we're going to check if... To be honest, to start off with, we're going to check if this boot is open.
So, yeah guys, we're going to see if it's open. And it is open. The boot is open, guys. I'm going to have to... Remember,
It's a bit like messy. And I'm going to sit in the driver's seat. And Sunny, you can sit in the... Well, someone's sitting in the driver's seat because it's unlocked. Like that. Now...
No.
Wait,
I'll sit in the passenger seat.
No, I will. You get in the boot with Sky. Yeah.
Get the spider spanker.
Spider spanker.
Spider spanker.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's a bit loose.
Oh my god, no, why did I shoot that? We're driving the car. Right, guys. Me and Sky are at the back of the boat. And yeah, so good.
Oh my god.
Yeah, oh my god.
Quite scary, to be honest, because you wouldn't really think that he's open.
This is really scary. Oh no, I found the spider again.
No, you haven't. We're literally all petrified of spiders.
Oh my god, it's like right on that white thing.
So are you scared of spiders?
Dude, it's like
They're
right there
stick
on the
right.
white. Guys,
Handy,
it's still on the white thing.
Yeah, no.
It's got Summer.
There is no...
Summer. I said like and subscribe. So if the car's doors open, I said. Listen, I'm sitting in this.
Yeah.
Beep. I'm sitting in
Oh yeah. I'm not even joking.
Oh my god, look.
We know it would work, but literally, I've just started working.
Look at this. You know the thing where you change your petrol and that? That?
Right, anyway, I think that on the next time you see us, we'll be at the next car.
No, wait. Look at this. We're going to screw the car up.
Right, anyway, next time you see us, we'll be at the next car. Right, so we are back in this car. And yeah. Right guys, the reason why we had to pause that is because our cousins have to go. But now we're exploring this one. It's open, but I don't think I really want to go in there. So anyway, next.
Look, what's in there?
Loads of junk and crap in there. But now we're going to explore that one now. And hey guys, we are back. We're not back. Well, we are at this.
Put the number plate on.
That's right. I don't know. Yeah, but we are back, and this one looks so sick. This one is actually better than that blue one because everything's like it's not much cleaner, but it's all like in there. It's only move past it in there.
You can sit in the passenger.
I'm gonna go around and sit in the passenger seat. Yeah, I can even get in. Yeah, but Sunny, open it. I can't get in. Go on, kick it.
What?
Kick it. Alright, so
Let's kick the door open.
So that is now open. I don't really want to sit in there now, to be honest. Hazard lights on, front on, rear on, rear screen.
We're just going to do anything to it really,
Because it's abandoned.
yeah.
To be honest, if this was still working, I'd actually have this car. If it wasn't as... Oh, there's a free pen.
There's a pen.
Oh, I wonder if it works.
Hey look guys, this car had 4 gears. That's crap. Oh, look at this! Look what we found, guys!
Oh, you can look at yourself.
You can look at yourself in the mirror sometimes. Hi guys.
Yeah, and that's that.
And that's all the cars that at this row.
At this rate, that's all the cars done. Let me shut that other door, and we'll see you at the caravan. Whoa, and we are back. This time at this caravan. If you can see,
That was already open.
this was already open. It's a bit freaky, to be honest. But you guys are going to be handed over to Sunny.
Right guys. This is literally the best moment of my life. Just isn't. No, it isn't. It isn't the best moment of my life. The best moment of my life is being a YouTuber, which is great. Right guys, trying to get in. We'll be back when I'm in. Alright guys, that didn't take very long. And there you go, that's in the private room. If you can see guys, there's nothing there.
We don't really know what it is, to be honest.
Yeah. Right guys, something just happened with the camera, but it hasn't stopped.
Right, this is the secret room from another window point of view. If you go in there and open it, we can see it's there. Anyway, so he's gonna go in there and open it, and he will be done in a minute. Whoa, and he is there.
Hi guys.
And I don't know if you can see, but I don't know what is in there. Oh, it's just like boxes. And there you go. Right, so that is that, and now we are going to go exploring in there. And he can't get out. Alright, we're going to go exploring in this one. And what a surprise, it's open. Right, we went exploring in here like before we went into the cars. Guess what we found?
We found
a baseball bat.
a flipping baseball bat.
A baseball bat.
We'll just shut this guy so no one can see us in here. Because we can tell us off in here.
Yeah, and the baseball bat was in here. It was literally crap.
Yeah, because we were playing hide and seek with our cousins
Who just left. And then
Guys, look what I found. I found something metal.
right, we are going to put you here so you can see everything what we're doing.
Right, guys. Oh, look, we found an abandoned... I literally went like that, and there was a flipping abandoned toilet. That's just wrong.
I tried to turn it on, but it's not really working. Oh, we could charge a phone up here. Right? Oh yeah. Yeah, and anyway.
Right, guys.
It's
so messy.
Why isn't that opening now? Grab it.
And I've got the camera to show you the abandoned toilet. My face looks so weird on camera.
That is it. Ooh. Yeah, but that is it. It's like a table and toilet stuff and everything in there. A bit awkward.
Yeah.
Also,
literally, there's sofas.
Sofa, like a cot in there. And anyway, that is the end of the video.
No, it isn't. We still got to show them the other cars.
Oh yeah, well, I forgot. There's one more car. But there's 2 more cars. We haven't even looked in there, but we're going to check if they're open. Is this one?
Oh my god.
And this one. And this one. Anyway. Right, and we're going to check it.
Yeah.
Oh, this one isn't open.
Kind of needy. Oh, there's fucking mess in there.
Let's check around the other side, because we don't know what ones are open or not. We just knew that the caravans were open. Yeah, this is not opening. I don't know about this one.
Which might...
Yeah, that's not opening.
Oh wait, guys.
No, it's not opening.
Guys, this is the end.
Yeah, that is the end of the video. Make sure you like it.
No, wait, we forgot something.
What?
Marriage.
No, there's nothing in there. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this video, and we will be back for another one. Because we're trying to make it every day in the 6 week holiday. And then I'm gonna click my fingers. Sunny is gonna disappear. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep, and he's just gone like that. Yeah.
Guys, I'm back.
Oh, he's back. I thought he's gone. Yeah, and now he's gonna be gone again. 3, 2, 1. Yes, and like that, guys, he has gone. Nowhere to be seen. Yeah, like I say,
Guys, relax.
Like I say, guys, like this video, subscribe to this video, and thank you for watching, and we will be back tomorrow.
Peace